Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. The other thing that helps me organize my bag is this bag that has my cables, my USB drives, I have my power bank, cables, my pencil case, my travel adapter that'll link all this, and the small bag for my small headphones. I'll close it. There you go. Nice and compact. And the size of this one, let me check for you. The size of this one is because they're different sizes. This one is metric. Again, this is 19 wide, 25 long, height or depth 10 centimeters. Put my wires and gadgets in there. I put my small light